A YouTube channel with 0 subscribers just got over 1 million views. No audience. No promotion. No brand. Just one video. And it's not an isolated case. Right now, thousands of unknown channels are doing the exact same thing. So what's really going on? Because this breaks everything people think they know about YouTube growth. Stay with me, because once you understand this shift, you'll see why some creators are blowing up instantly, while others stay stuck for years. Disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Results are not guaranteed and will vary based on multiple factors including content quality, niche selection, and consistency. This is not financial or business advice. Always do your own research before making decisions. The myth that keeps people stuck. Most people believe YouTube works like this: more subscribers equals more views. Sounds logical. But it's wrong. Subscribers don't cause views. Good content causes views. Subscribers are just a result. And the algorithm? It doesn't prioritize your subscriber count. It prioritizes how viewers react to your video. That's the shift most people haven't caught up to yet. What actually triggers virality? Here's how a video actually goes viral on YouTube. Step 1. YouTube shows your video to a small test audience. Step 2. It measures 3 things: click-through rate, watch time, retention. If people click and stay watching, YouTube pushes the video to more people. Then more. Then more. Until suddenly, you're hitting hundreds of thousands or even millions of views. And none of that depends on subscribers. It depends on performance. Why unknown channels are winning? Unknown channels have one major advantage. They're not attached to old habits. They're building content specifically for how the algorithm works today. Here's what they're doing differently: they choose high-demand topics. Content people are already searching for. They focus heavily on titles and thumbnails. Because if nobody clicks, nothing else matters. They optimize the first 5 to 10 seconds. Because if viewers leave early, the video dies instantly. And most importantly, they produce content faster using AI-assisted workflows, which allows them to test more ideas in less time. And on YouTube, testing equals data. And data leads to breakout videos. The real driver: speed plus volume. Here's the part most people underestimate. Going viral is often a numbers game. One video might fail. 5 videos might fail. But the 10th or 20th, that's where things change. Creators using faster production systems can publish more content, which means more chances to hit the algorithm correctly. That's why you're seeing unknown channels suddenly explode. Not because they're lucky. Because they're producing enough content to find what works. The 3 things you must get right. If you want results like this, 3 things matter more than anything else. Number 1, your title. It must create curiosity instantly. If it doesn't trigger a click, the video is invisible. Number 2, your hook. The first few seconds must make people stay. No slow intros. No fluff. Number 3, your topic. If nobody cares about the subject, the algorithm won't push it. Get these 3 right, and your subscriber count becomes irrelevant. Reality check. But there's a catch. This opportunity is growing fast. More creators are learning these strategies. More channels are entering the space. And over time, competition increases. Right now, the barrier to entry is lower than it's ever been. But that won't stay true forever. If this video changed how you see YouTube growth, hit the like button. Subscribe to Money Traps for more breakdowns on what's actually working right now. And in the comments, tell me this: if subscribers don't matter, what do you think is the real reason most channels never grow?